Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to find your USDT TRC20 wallet address on Bybit, including how to copy it or scan the QR code. So let's get started. First, open the Bybit app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the assets icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap the deposit button and select deposit crypto. In the coin search bar, type USDT. I can see it on the top of the search history. Let me tap on it. You will now be asked to choose a network. Select TRC20 Tron as your deposit network. Only send USDT from a TRC20 supported wallet to avoid losing your funds. You will now see your TRC20 USDT wallet address and a QR code. Tap copy to copy the address or scan the QR code from another wallet to deposit instantly. And that's how you find your USDT TRC20 wallet address on Bybit. Remember to always choose the right network to keep your funds safe. Like and follow for more crypto guides and wallet tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.